they said, I need to take accountability. Okay. Let's say, for example, I take accountability and said, you know, I triggered her. Are you guys now saying, if I say, you know, I triggered something in her to, you know, get angry, that's why she made the racist slurs, so then it's okay to experience racism as long as someone is triggered? Is that the new way now of, that's the new thing in society now? That's the 2023 way. I'm just asking a question and I'll be happy to discuss it with anyone. And let me just say it again, because like me say, me a Jamaican, so sometimes my accent off. But let me ask again. Are you guys saying the fact that I triggered her, as you guys say, does that mean it's okay to experience racism as long as you were triggered or as long as you are angry? We're all in this together, so I'm just asking questions and I'm not being, you know, ignorant. I'm not playing victim, and I am taking full accountability because you said, you know, I experienced racism because I triggered her. So is that a new thing now in 2023? It's okay to receive racism as long as you're angry? I'm just asking. So feel free to let me know, because I'm going to open back the comment section and I really want to hear from you guys, because I personally believe that this is a big thing within our community. It's a big thing where I don't remember if it's 2018, I did colorism. I painted my face white to protest because I realized, so it's like a prediction. I realized that people prefer a lighter color and they would pick up for someone of a lighter color over my dark skin any given day, because there is colorism within our black community. And no matter how no one look on it, if I look like this, let me show you, because I make sure I save it in my phone. If I looked like this, then some of the black people who are commenting that it's okay would not be saying what they are saying. You can play hypocrite with yourself if you want. You can hide the fact if you want. But this is just the truth. If I looked like this on the screen, then the whole ball game would have changed. Because some of the black people who are commenting, and especially some of them who are a lighter skin, who have never experienced racism, maybe because they have a lighter complexion, have the most to say. Oh, it's okay because a son was mentioned, when this son has been mentioned multiple times from multiple people. You gotta make it make sense. Like me say, I'm not afraid for us to have this reasoning, but me just want to make it make sense. I want it make sense to me, so I don't feel, you know, stupid as a black woman. I want you guys to tell me, say, you know, say a full initiator. How are you going to say, oh, because you spoke about the son, it justifies racism? Make it make sense to me. And like me say, I'm going to open the comment because I really want to hear from you guys, because I'm not perfect. I'm probably need help myself, because I know I go from 0 to 100 and I know that that's my flaw. So I'm open to people tell me, you know, whatever, because I know I'm not perfect, and I've never said I'm perfect, and I've never played victim to all the people them who feel like me I play victim. I'm not stupid. And something else I want to point out again, stop talk about, oh, stop talk about people business and stuff. I happen to be on a show on Love and Hip Hop, and it requires me to have these discussions. It requires me to have these discussions. Now, the fact say, me get out when I want to get out. There's a few things when I want to get out, because I want to also address a few people who have some things to say where, you know, look like, say, them really, really, You know, look like say them really watch the show or did understand and them have the most to say. So, we have to talk about them. Wait, before we go no further, I'm going to put on the comments. Because I have a lot of things to say. I have a lot of people name. I'm going to care how it go. Me see a certain comment and I have to talk on it because me see even comment from people who have my number will never call me and say, Grace, what happened? So them could have a voice or them own opinion on it. Them just speak on 30 seconds when them sip on social media. And me kind of can't believe oh, some black woman want to push it under the rug as always to justify the fact that it's okay for you to receive racism as long as someone is angry or as long as you mentioned, like, I can't even say I mentioned somebody's child because she bring up the pitney or she bring up our child, you know. She bring up, say, I've been doing this for 16 years. It was a conversation about single mother and parenting, but yet still you keep on and say, I come for the child because me state something that has been stated already, even from our ex-husband. And she know where it come from, and I like she don't know that's the problem. She know exactly where it's coming from, but because me repeat it now, I must dead, I must die. Or is it just okay for your ex-husband alone to say it? I want to talk about some people that has been saying certain things on social media. And I want to also point out that there's a history of Erica calling black people monkey. Before me forget my train of thought. Because like I told you guys, I have a lot of things to say. And I'm going to close the door after this. And when I wake up tomorrow morning, my phone not even going to be on. So who have something to say and who have them opinion to say, it's okay. You can voice your opinion. I really... honestly, voice your opinion. But when me done get off of my chest, I'm going to close that door, yeah. That's it. Me already telling you when me feel, I feel like I know for a fact that I experienced racism again. Erica's been calling people black monkey. Let's start from the promoter. Because what we want to understand fully is all these people that Erica has been all these black people that Erica has been calling a monkey, who did not mention her son, what was the reason? So I'm just very calm speaking with you guys. Like I said, if you don't want to DM me like I want to be in a DM me and ask me if I'm okay or whatever the case may be, send me a DM. Let's reason this out. All the other black people who Erica called a monkey, who did not say anything about her son. What was that then? Because maybe you guys have a different name for racism. So let us just look at this real quick. Erica spazzes on promoters and call them black monkeys. This was from 2015. This promoter said nothing about her son. Why was this? Why did she call this black promoter black monkey in 2016? Never said nothing about her son. Let us move on. Read for yourself, because I'm bright. Read for yourself. Let's just move on real quick, because I act like say, you're not gonna make me feel crazy. What was the situation when she called Johnny Blaze monkey? Asking, I'm saying, take full accountability. When I say it was triggered. This is another person. She called Johnny Blaze a monkey. There's history there. So una try cover up and I make it seem like I'm me crazy. You're not gonna make me feel crazy as a black woman. Y'all not going to make me feel crazy. Driver drive off. The promoter quickly came from the hotel. Says the staff overheard men are saying, I don't like working with these black monkeys. I don't usually do business with these black monkeys. Then Erica finally makes her way to the hotel and says racist slurs right to their face, calling them black broke monkeys. What did these people say about the child? Because I make it look like say, oh, it's only because of the child was mentioned. In 2016, and when she called Johnny Blaze a monkey, and all of the other things, and when Erica make fake page and I go for sin kids, and I comment and I come for people child, and all of the other comment, when she go for people and I ask to them a deadbeat father, and like, you know, I have to slow down when the Jamaican start coming so that I can explain to, you know, just everybody. But all of these people who Erica has been calling monkey all these years, did they say anything about her son, since you guys want to make it seem like it's because I said something about the son? This is a recorded history that's out there. Recorded history, repeated history. So, like me say, I'm not gonna come on social media every day and go back and forth with nobody. Who wants cover up can cover up, but make sure when a Caucasian comes with it, I don't want to see and hear it. Because you guys are changing the narrative and you're making it seem like it's okay because someone was triggered. That's all me I say. And at the end of the day, like me say, a few people make them comment and I want to really address them before I come off of the live here. I want to address them real quick. Tammy Rivera. Never listen to what I have to talk about. Tamar, Jesse Larios, Tammy Rivera. Stop! Clear your throat and tell me to stop. Stop. Alright, I'm going to go live. I know you may listen to me. I listen to my besties them. Because, you know, yeah. I tell me to come out. They tell me about, don't talk about, don't. Me a human being. What do you mean? Besties, I love you guys. I don't want you guys to feel like oh, you know, spicing this or spicing that. The only difference with me when you're a fan of me is that I am going to be put in a lot of these situations because of the color of my skin and I cannot get rid of it. And it's just unfortunate, but if you're a fan of me, you have to understand it comes with having thick skin because you are a fan of a black woman who is kicking down doors and a lot of people not going to like that. So it comes with a lot. And you know me is a person where me listen to my fans them. I call them my besties for a reason. So when I reason, I just like listen to them. So that's why I'm put on back the comments because let's talk about it. I think the problem is the conversation went from calm rapidly. But that's the problem. The conversation never really went from calm rapidly. There's underlying issues that went to the table. You know what I'm saying? There's underlying issues that went to the table. So did I went to the table calm? Absolutely not. Because I heard things before I went to the table. And then now it's revealed how Erica really felt before she came to the table. So no, I was not calm because when someone is acting like your life don't worth nothing, which we really found that out because she said I should have died. You are not getting really you not realize